The Ferretti Yachts range includes 11 models from 50 to 100 feet, divided in two different ranges, Flybridge and Infinito, and the new Ferretti Yachts 800 sits right at the heart of the first one. It has an overall length of 24.47 metres and a maximum beam of 5.91 metres. Its homologation measurements place it within the limits for pleasure craft, yet the philosophy behind its design belongs to larger yachts, where the crew operates professionally and discreetly within dedicated areas. High-end luxury enters a new dimension, combining elegance, privacy, functionality, and ease of management. The version with a slightly shorter bathing platform remains within the 24-metre of length overall limit defined by the latest regulations in terms of mooring, for the protection of Posidonia oceanica meadows. The project was born from the collaboration between the Strategic Product Committee, chaired by engineer Piero Ferrari, and the Ferretti Group Engineering Department. The exterior design was created by architect Filippo Salvetti, following the stylistic evolution seen across the entire range. The interiors, designed by Idea Italia, provide unmatched comfort for yachts of this size, raising onboard living standards to a new level. The secret lies in the optimization of space and the smart redefinition of areas and pathways. The yacht's profile highlights the extensive glazing, offering spectacular panoramic views. An optional sliding glass door on the starboard side of the salon further enhances the connection with the sea. Many stylistic details reveal the modernity of the Ferretti Yachts 800. The windshield blends seamlessly into the flybridge, creating visual continuity in both shape and colour. The descending lines of the flybridge toward the stern add dynamism to the profile. Every curve of the hull sides, superstructure and gunwale aligns perfectly with the window design, resulting in a striking, harmonious appearance. Subtle surface modelling details emphasise this balance even further. The flybridge extends aft, reaching a total area of 40 square metres, which exceeds the average for its category. On the starboard side is an open-air dining area with a table, chairs, sofa and storage beneath the seating. To port, there's a fully equipped bar cabinet with a cooking area and an optional cocktail zone with stools. Next to the helm station, equipped with 2 seats, is a relaxation area for lounging or sunbathing. Above, the hard top can feature either a central skylight or an opening louvered roof. Additional freestanding furniture can be added aft on the flybridge, according to the owner's preferences. At the bow, the 14-metre square living area features a sun pad for maximum relaxation. A table can be optionally installed in front of the sofa. The whole area can be shaded by a canopy supported by carbon fibre poles. The beach area covers 7 square metres and includes a large folding sofa integrated into the transom. The cockpit extends over 15 square metres with a glass balustrade that opens the view to the sea. Optional furnishings include an ice maker. On the port side, access is provided to the crew quarters, which include 3 separate cabins and a laundry area. New architectural and spatial choices enhance both the functionality and sophistication of the yacht. On the main deck, the innovative layout separates crew and guest pathways, ensuring privacy. The galley can be accessed from the hallway by the salon, the portside walkway and the helm station. Doors isolate both the crew area and the wheelhouse from the guest spaces. The 22 square metre salon is bathed in natural light through large windows, offering uninterrupted sea views, even when seated. The generous ceiling height of 2.02 metres further amplifies the sense of volume. 3 layout options are available: a sofa and TV cabinet with a screen up to 65 inches, or as an alternative, 2 opposing sofas or a sofa with an additional storage cabinet, in both cases a 55-inch retractable TV. 2 decor themes are offered: Classic, evoking warm earth tones, and contemporary, inspired by colours of the sea, featuring light woods and cool-toned fabrics. Both express a made-in-Italy style, creating a refined, welcoming and harmonious atmosphere. The dining area features an elegant table for 8, while the fully equipped galley can be closed off or opened to the dining space through a sliding partition panel. A day head on the main deck is another element typical of larger yachts. The helm station is accessible from both sides and includes a crew mess on the starboard side. The uninterrupted windshield ensures excellent visibility. The dashboard features 3 16-inch displays, or optionally 3 24-inch displays. Amidships on the lower deck lies the owner's suite, covering 18 square meters. On the port side, there's a sofa and access to a large walk-in wardrobe, opposite an angled vanity unit. A 55-inch TV can be mounted on the wall facing the bed. The ensuite bathroom is spacious and comfortable, featuring a large shower box. The VIP cabin at the bow includes 2 large wardrobes and a private bathroom. 2 additional twin cabins, each with ensuite facilities, complete the guest area. Ferretti Yachts 800 can be powered by twin-man V12 engines of 1,550 horsepower, delivering a cruising speed of 24 knots and a top speed of 27 knots. Alternatively, with twin-man V12 engines of 1,800 horsepower, it reaches a cruising speed of 27 knots and a maximum speed of 31 knots. 2 stabilization options are available: 0 speed fins or gyroscopic stabilizers. Finally, CE Category A certification, the highest safety standard for pleasure craft, confirms the superior value and reliability of this yacht.